Last year I made it to a lot of places.
Headed up Mount Bierstadt this morning. I'm at the entrance of the Smoky Mountains. Today we're at Clifty Falls State Park. We made it to the top. Today I'm in Mesa Verde National Park.
But when I looked at goals for 2021, I decided I wanted to do something that was a little more focused. I just couldn't decide what the goal should be. So I started this project.
Last week I convinced myself that I should run every day in December. The only problem is that last week it was 20 degrees warmer. But it doesn't matter. Today is December 1st and it's time to get started. And that does it for run number 1. I cannot wait for the next 30 days. So you better lace up your tennis shoes and get ready because we're just getting started. I hope you're ready for day 2. It is a full 7 degrees warmer today, a little less wind. We are gonna load up on vitamin D. Day 3. It's cold. I'm a little sore. I think I've officially underestimated the December weather. Whew, gonna need to get some gloves tomorrow.
I was certainly enthusiastic to get started.
Got some gloves today. Thank goodness. It's like 35 degrees and it is chilly. Day number 7. After today, we will have made it 1 full week of running. My calf muscle, right where it attaches like to the Achilles tendon, still hurts. So I'm gonna make it a quick one today. I'm just gonna do a mile and rest up for tomorrow. That's a lot. It's fine. That was discouraging. I feel like it was one of the slowest miles all week, right when I feel like I'm ready to run. Oh, tomorrow, week 2, we'll try again. I admit I was really hoping to get through this project without having to buy new shoes, but with all the leg pain I've had over the last couple days, it is time. So today is new shoe day. I hope you're ready for day 9. It is 49 degrees in December in Indiana, so ready to run. Successfully got after it today. 2 miles done right at noon. Feels like everything's starting to click. Today was a lot more fun, and I'll see you tomorrow. Day 13, officially 15 degrees cooler than it was yesterday. Huh, but we are out here making it happen. Day 14, I'm at Indiana Sand Dunes filming for my other video, and this definitely counts as my run today. Whew. Day 15, I'm very cold. First run with ice. Just wrapping up my mile. Absolutely freezing, but the sky is so pretty. Started this project so that I would have time to hopefully think about what I want to do next year and make a plan. And I think I should have picked something warmer. I'm trying to decide between buying a van or RV and using that to travel around the country, hiking the Appalachian Trail, or waiting till I can travel internationally and doing that. So I have 3 big ideas, and the problem is all of them are things that I could be working on right now. If I knew I was hiking the Appalachian Trail, I'd start nailing down my gear. If I was going to do an RV, I would probably buy a van and convert it into a camper. If I was going to travel internationally, I would just chill out now and wait until I can actually make plans. So it's just one of those things where I've been trying to think about what it was I wanted to do. It's officially December 15th, halfway through this project, and I am nowhere closer. So I'll keep you posted. But for now, I have no plan for next year, which means I might be running forever. It's the obvious answer. See you tomorrow. Day 16 and it's snowing. Finally, I'm so excited to be out here in the snow.
Even though it didn't feel like I was making any progress towards my goals for 2021, I kept running. I enjoyed the changes in weather, and I was happy to have an excuse to be outside.
It is day 17. Day 18, the snow's gone, but it's still pretty cold. Day 19, so pumped. Let's keep it rolling, 12 more days. Day 20, I wore so many layers so I could stay warm. It's supposed to start snowing somewhere in the next hour, so day 21, let's get it started. Day 22, I'm out here for a quick mile, looking at the last week of this project and this gorgeous sunset. Day 23, it's pretty windy out here today, but we're making it happen. Knocked out day 23, even in the wind, 1.5 miles down. Whew, it is day 24, which means it's Christmas Eve. I took the day off yesterday to celebrate Christmas. Now it's day 26, it's the final week, and I'm ready to go. Day 27, I'm at the park. I'm here ready to go. Getting a little worn out, but sticking with it. Day 29, we're downtown Savannah, so it's a run through the old historic streets. Today's workout is at the beach. It's December 31st, the last day of this project. We're traveling in South Carolina, and I couldn't be more excited to get this run in. We went just over a mile. Great way to start the new year. Happy to wrap up December running almost every single day.
I was happy that I completed the goal of running every day, but disappointed that I ended the year without making a final decision. Luckily, I was closer than I thought.
I'm this close to finalizing a goal for 2021. Every person I've told about it loves it. I think you're gonna love it. I have a few more details to nail down before I let you know. It involves a pretty big purchase, and I think it'll take me till December. So you'll know about it in a few weeks. Until then, I'm officially training for a 10K. If that goes well, we'll be in a marathon this year. So you better subscribe because 2021 is gonna be huge. If I don't warm up, I'm gonna head out and come back tomorrow with more pants. But yeah, I'm cold. Wanna give me a big wave for reminding me to go run every day? We went just over a mile. I had Courtney to keep me motivated.